Hey guys, I think that you all would agree with me how important it is to have a visually attractive channel that corresponds to your brand and attracts audience. I am in the process of upgrading the look of my YouTube channel, and today I want to show you a few great plugins I've been given by the company called Motion VFX. We'll have a look at mLogo and mTuber plugins that can help you to create intros and logo animations, and I will show you exactly how to use them. So you'll be also able to create animations like this, or this in a few simple steps. I haven't been paid for this video, so it's my honest review, but I've been given a promo code KASIA10 that can give you a 10% discount in case you are interested in the product. And also there's my affiliate link to the Motion VFX website below this video. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Let's start. Once you purchase your plugins, you can simply download them via mInstaller, which is an app that Motion VFX provides. I did this before. It's a very simple process, and I'm sure I don't have to show you exactly how to do it. You'll be able to figure it out on your own with no problem. And then let's move to the Edit tab in Resolve, and here, once your plugins are downloaded, you'll simply need to go to the Effects, then Toolbox, and Titles, and the Motion VFX folder will be already here with all the plugins. So I have here my mLogo and mTuber plugins. I will show you the mTuber a bit later, but now let's open the mLogo folder, and here we can find 50 different fully customizable logo animations. They're all great and very dynamic. I was actually struggling to choose the best one, and you can preview them by hovering over them with your mouse, like this. So I'll leave it to you, and let's grab the logo animation number 47, for example, and let's just drop it onto the timeline. And this is how it looks. And as I mentioned, we can fully customize it. So let's get onto it. I can close my Effects tab then, and I can change the settings of the animation here in the inspector. So here we have all content, logo, and other elements controls. So let's open the content controls, and here we can change the position and the size of the whole animation. I'll leave it as it is, as now it basically fills the whole frame, and this is what I want. Then I'll move to logo, and here we can replace this placeholder with our logo, and we do it simply by browsing our computer. So let me grab my logo to show you. And as you can see, it's very, very easy. And also, if you don't have your logo sorted yet, you can simply use the text instead. So let's do it. I'll type in my channel's name here. And then I can also change the font and the font size if I want to. Okay, then we have a subtitle controls. So I can change it, for example, to my website. Like this. And then I can change the font again and the position of it. This works for me. Then we have elements controls. So in this case, we can change the color of the outlines and the cubes. So let's move the cursor to be able to see what we are doing. And let's change the color to teal maybe, like this. Then let's scroll through the clip again to see the logo outlines. And I will change it to white, like this. And I will change this outline color to white as well. Let's keep it consistent. And let's see how it looks. Nice. And now we can also change the background color. So I'll make it dark orange to get a nice contrast. And let's see. And now we can also make the background transparent, so we can place the logo over the footage. So let's deselect background here, and then let's place the logo on the third video layer, so this way we can place other clips underneath it. And then in my media pool, I have a few clips I can use as a background. So I'll grab this clip with the light trace, for example, and I'll crop it. Then I also have to change the sizing a bit as it doesn't cover the whole frame yet. And let's play it. Nice. And then let's do one more simple trick. So I'll grab a clip with a model and I will place it underneath the light trace clip. And now I'll click on the light trace. I will go to the composite mode in the inspector. And here I have some composite modes I can choose from. So again, this is something you can play around with. And I will change it to color. So this way I'll blend these two clips together. And let's see the final result. I think it's quite interesting. So as you can see, we have endless possibilities here. And now the other motion VFX plugin I want to show you is called MTuber. And the way you can modify the assets here is exactly the same. And we have 72 different visual tools here, calls to action, customizable intros, social media icons or typography, basically everything that a starting YouTube creator needs. So if you like it and if you are thinking about purchasing these plugins, don't forget to click on my affiliate link below this video. Thanks so much for watching my videos, guys. I hope that you like them. If you do, hit subscribe and don't forget to leave a comment below. See you soon.